Hi everyone, my name is Aris. A as in ang sikip, R as rumaragas ang kagandahan, and I as inaantok na, E as ethereal, and S as sabog. Sabog sa kasikipan at sabog sa kagandahan. Actually, ang hirap. There are times pumapasok ako sa school, may eyelash glue pa ako sa mata bakla. Part of me, I sustain my school through drag. So, part-time job ko na siya kahit papano, di ba? There are times that ang hirap talaga bakla. Papasok ka ng school nang walang tulog. Papasok ka ng school na may mga pendings kaya mamaya may show ka pa. Sabog na utak ko bakla. That's why I often ask myself why I do this. But something ponders me because this is my passion and this is what I love. This is what makes me happy and that's why I will keep doing this no matter what. I will make this short. Kung kaya namin ng mga drag queen mag-ayos ng wig sa gitna ng baha, dapat kaya nyo ring ayusin ng bansa. Kami ang nasa lansangan, kami ang unang naaapektuhan. My drag speaks for the streets, and the streets are tired of drowning. You should serve the people and stop serving your pocket. Galit ako, te!